Welcome to Learn English Pro. Today's lesson is very important. Stop saying these wrong sentences in English. I will show you 10 of the most common mistakes and explain how to fix them. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, I am agree. This is incorrect because the word agree is already a verb. You don't need the extra verb am. The correct form is simply, I agree. Think of it like I eat or I play. You use the verb directly. Mistake number 2, she don't like it. The subject is she, which means we must use doesn't, not don't. The correct sentence is, she doesn't like it. The rule is simple, with he, she, and it, always use doesn't for negatives. Mistake number 3, he go to work every day. Here the verb is missing the third person s. The correct form is, he goes to work every day. In English, verbs in the present tense add s when the subject is he, she, or it. Mistake number 4, I am boring. This sentence means that you make other people feel bored, which is not what you want to say. The correct sentence is, I am bored. Use bored when you feel the emotion, and use boring to describe something else, for example, this movie is boring. Mistake number 5, more better. This is unnecessary because better already means more good. The correct form is simply, this is better. Remember, never say more better. Just say better. Mistake number 6, discuss about the problem. The verb discuss already includes the meaning of about. That extra word makes the sentence incorrect. The correct form is, let's discuss the problem. Keep it simple and natural. Mistake number 7, I didn't went. After didn't we always use the base verb form. The correct sentence is, I didn't go. Did already shows the past, so the next verb must stay simple. Mistake number 8, can you explain me this? This sounds unnatural in English. The correct structure is, can you explain this to me? The verb explain requires the pattern explain something to someone. Mistake number 9, he is married with her. This is very common, but it is wrong. In English we always use the preposition to after married. The correct sentence is, he is married to her. Mistake number 10, I look forward to meet you. After the phrase look forward to, we always use the ing form. The correct sentence is, I look forward to meeting you. This is a fixed pattern, so always remember, look forward to plus ing. Let's quickly review all 10 corrected sentences. I agree. She doesn't like it. He goes to work every day. I am bored. This is better. Let's discuss the problem. I didn't go. Can you explain this to me? He is married to her. I look forward to meeting you. If you learn these 10 corrections, your English will sound much more natural and professional. Practice them, repeat them, and use them in your daily life. Thank you for watching Learn English Pro. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next class.